Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm gonna be decorating 4 tier trays. If you guys are new to my channel, I love decorating my tier trays for every season, every holiday, and now I have 4 of them instead of 2, 3. I think I had 2 last year, but I'm really excited to show you guys how I decorated with them. I used a lot of DIYs that I made this year, but before I get into that, I do want to thank Rotator for sponsoring today's video. I have worked with them in the past and I absolutely love their memory foam pillows. They sent me over their Lavender Zen Pillow, and I love these first and foremost because they have removable pillowcases and you can just take these off and wash your pillow. This one right here, it has like a hint, like a nice calming scent of lavender, and I absolutely love it. I love how nice and squishy it is. I am 100% obsessed with memory foam anyways, and I love that it has the holes right here because it does keep you cool at night, which I get really hot at night. I just love the whole idea of this, especially because it's nice and soft. It also supports anyone who lays on their back, their stomach, their side, and the Lavender Zen Pillow is made of supportive memory foam that conforms to the unique contours of your head and your neck. It also allows cushioning and pressure relief to customize your personal needs. I highly recommend a pillow like this to anyone that has pressure in their neck, in their back, in their head. I have a lot of back pain, but since I've been using this Rotator pillow, I absolutely love this one. Like I said, this one is my new favorite because it has that calming lavender scent. They also sent me over the Lavender Zen Dream Mist, and I love anything essential oil, so this is just infused with lavender essential oil, just like the pillow, and I just spray like a couple mist on my pillow or on my bed or on my comforter, anything like that, and it's relaxing. It kind of makes you want to go to sleep. I just really like this. But if you guys want to check it out, I will leave a link in the description box below so you can get 20% off your order. But you guys, let's get into the video. Okay, so this first tray I have had for years. It has been decorated many times on my channel. It is from Hobby Lobby. I paid $19.99 for it when it was 50% off. I'm not sure the price of it now, but I will link it if I can find it in the description box for you guys. So right here, I'm just adding this sleigh ride sign. This is from the Target dollar spot a year or so ago. And then everything that I have here, either I made or I have just had for years in the past. I'm just adding some bottle brush trees. These ones were from Target, but I know Dollar Tree has some really cute ones this year of all different colors if you can find those. And then right here is just a sign that I made. You're going to see that I do change this up quite a bit because I can never just stick to one thing. I love mixing things around. I will tear this apart and redo it 50 times if I have to. I try to cut some of that out when I was taking things out and rearranging just a little bit, but I like my tier trays very full. I know it doesn't work for some people, but I like things on an angle. I don't mind that. I know some people will say it looks messy, but really, I like decorating them and I like them super full, and I like to pack as much stuff as I possibly can into this. That truck in the center, that was from Gordman's. I don't have a Gordman's anymore. I think it closed up about a year or so ago, but I picked up some really inexpensive home decor. Everything was like 80% off. And then this green truck is from Target a couple years ago from the dollar spot. I think it was $3. And then those little triangle trees I actually made in a recent video, which I will link my whole Christmas 2021 playlist for you guys to check out. And then just a lot of the trees and everything, it just came from Dollar Tree in years past. And then I kind of started to flip things around and move things around just a little bit because obviously I did not finish those triangle trees on the back side, so you could see the tag sticking out. So I did move that around, and I just kept playing with white trees and bottle brush trees. And then like all of the little galvanized items and things like that were also from Hobby Lobby, and they're really inexpensive. These trees here are from Walmart a couple years ago, and then these trees, the smaller ones with the black bottoms, are from Target. And I always shop after Christmas. It is cheaper and everything is 50–70% off. The next tray is a 2-tier tray. This Farm Fresh Christmas tree sign is from Gordman's. Like I said, I picked up quite a few things from that store a while ago. These little trees are from Walmart. They were in a 3-pack, and I think I used all 3 of them for this tray. This tray is from TJ Maxx, actually. If you guys can find tier trays at TJ Maxx, it is a steal. I think this was only $14 or $12.99. It was super inexpensive, which I think that is a great deal for a tier tray. And then I'm just adding some like pine picks with pine cones. This was from Walmart last year. And then I do end up redoing the bottom, which I will show you guys towards the end. I changed it around like 3 or 4 times and then finally got it to the way that I liked it. And then I'm just adding more greenery. That little pot still has a sticker on it from Goodwill. Farmhouse Christmas is from Hobby Lobby. This Let It Snow sign I made this year, and I actually just kind of stacked it in the back of the Farmhouse Christmas because I just really liked this whole theme of black and green and white. I think it is so pretty. I actually ended up moving my other tier tray and actually left this one right here in the center because I just loved the whole color theme. That it was so modern. This is such like a modern tier tray. I'm super happy with this. I added a ton of bottle brush trees. Wooden trees were from Target last year. I don't think I purchased or bought anything new this year for any of my tier trays. So that tree that's at the bottom was from Target last year. It was $1. I think it was from Target. If it wasn't, it was from Walmart. I don't shop at very many places, but I'm pretty sure it was Target. I ended up actually moving that around because I did not like it. I ended up adding some little black galvanized houses. Those were from Target. Ended up not liking that. Kept one, added some black deer from Target this year, and like a wood bead garland. So that's what it ended up being. That's how it is right now. And I just love how this turned out. I love all of the greenery in here. I love all the flock trees. I just love this thing entirely. My favorite tier tray. Next tray is also a 2-tier tray, and I want to say this one was from TJ Maxx as well. I cannot think of where it was from off the top of my head, but right now I'm just adding like a pine pick or some greenery, and this candle truck was from Dollar General, and then just a bunch of greenery pieces from Dollar Tree. A lot of this was very inexpensive. Like I said, I did not buy anything new for any of these. Usually I always pick up a couple new items, but this year I just decided to use what I had and items that I made. So this Believe sign came from Gordman's. That reindeer and the Merry Christmas signs, those I made, one last year, one this year. And then I'm just adding a bunch of flocked bottle brush Christmas trees. I love this. I ended up sneaking more items in the back later on, and some greenery and some berries. And like I said, I love these super, super full. So that's what I did with this one. It's really easy, and it took me just a few minutes to put together. Last tier tray I will be decorating is for my kitchen. It was from Target, and the Mrs. Claus sign was from Target last year. And then the little faux books, I made that in a recent video. The warm and cozy little hot chocolate mug, and I have another one as well. Those are both from Dollar General this year. I wasn't sure exactly what I was going to do with them, but I decided to add them to a tier tray. So I can't say I didn't buy anything new, but it wasn't specifically for tier trays. And then gingerbread cookie sign I made. The gingerbread house is from Target. This is actually from Goodwill, but originally from Target. But I love that Santa mug. I think it is so stinking cute. And then I moved things around quite a bit. Fresh baked cookies is in my recent video as well, and I absolutely love that one. And then just an ornament from Target. And I added these cute little rolling pins. I recently made these as well in a video. Those rolling pins were from Hobby Lobby, and I just added decals on them with my Cricut. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing. Also, don't forget to check out the link in the description box below to purchase your Lavender Zen Pillow. Like I said, you'll get 20% off. That is it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Have little rollers in here and little ginger. And a little coffee. Little rollers. Mommy!
Yeah. Oh wow, this one looks good.